we arrived in Quebec City in month March 1960. It was cold, it snowed. I'm out of April. It's prolonged. We are settled in 25th Street, in the off part of town, Quebec City. His name is Limoilou. Very nice part of Quebec City. If somebody asked me, come you from Lulu? I said him, I am from Limoilou. Why explain all my history? Mine and my country. When I saw it, this whole wild city, I thought my life became pretty. When I thought I was dying in for fall in my country. Hey, if somebody asks me, hey, all people ask, so I don't know what was people. All time ask, come you from? I answer, hey Lulu, I came from why not? Why explain? When my country died and me I am died and I am in the daughter tomb. Yeah. Daughter tomb is mean in life after death. Yeah. Why not? Yeah, why not? Oh, why yes? Why not? I come from Limoilou. Yeah. See you again.